Welcome to an exciting adventure where fun meets learning. Did you know that riddles aren't just puzzles, but tools for your brain? That's right. Solving riddles helps kids improve their critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and creativity. It encourages them to think outside the box, develop patience, and even boost their memory. Meet Sophie and her best friend, Polly the parrot. Today, Polly has a tricky riddle for you. Can you solve it before Sophie does?
I have feathers, but I am not a bird. I can fly, but I don't have wings. What am I?
Think carefully. Sophie needs your help to solve Polly's riddle. Do you know the answer? Let's give you some time to guess. Hint 1. I am often seen at birthday parties. Hint 2. I come in many colors and float in the air. Stuck? Here's another hint from Polly. I'm round and full of air.
A balloon! It's a balloon!
You got it. Great job, Sophie. Did you guess it too?
I have so many fun coding tips to share. Don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel and join the ThinkToons adventure.